Hello, y'all. Today I went to my local hardware store and I got a Kidde or Code 1 KN-COB-B-LP. So, I'm not really going to show y'all the box and everything. Surprisingly, this is the only Kidde / Code 1 product left. So, anyways. There we go. So, here's the manual. Please see manual. The batteries. There we go. Mounting hardware, the silica pack, and the alarm itself. Manufacturing date, November 25th of 2024. This is new. Yet it still has the old Kidde logo. That's nuts. So, I hate it when these batteries are on this plastic. Ugh. Very annoying, and it's also bad for the oceans, honestly. Or I actually had to put these in. Real quick, does it have the alarm it makes that the KN-COB-B makes? Let's see when the batteries are not connected properly. Let's check. No. Oh. It's not. Anyways. This is gonna be kind of loud. Uh-oh. Alright. There we go. It's gonna be kind of loud, so I would suggest you hold your ears or turn your headset down. There we go. There we go. Very gargly horn. Alright. Hope you all like this video. I will see y'all soon.